Hello friends, good morning. So welcome to my channel and in the last chapter we have seen how we can handle the exceptions. How we can put a assertion on exception, and this in this particular topic we'll see how we can use the use of repeated tests. So basically here what we can do, we can run our test multiple times. Okay. Why we do this thing? So let's say in first or second, because of the environmental issue or because of something which is not correct, because of something your test cases are failing, but in actually they are passing. So that's why we use this particular feature, so that you keep on running multiple times, and if they get pass, so it will be counted as a pass. Okay. Or you may have some other functionality that you have to perform something again and again. Okay, maybe there is some business logic on your side. So whatever. So rather than writing a single test cases 5 times or 10 times, you can simply give a simple value that I want to run this particular test cases this much of time. Okay, so there can be any kind of requirement on your side. So we'll see. So this is a display name. I have already told you display name. You can give any name here. And what I'm doing here, repeated tests. So this is a new tag, repeated test. Okay. And there's no special import, there's a standard import which you can use, and value is 5. So I want to make sure that this particular test case run 5 times, and and the name is repeated as that long display name. Okay, so this is a already enum long display name, current repetition. So there are a lot of things. Okay, total repetition placeholder, try to use them. So I have used two of the values. So I have used the long display name, and in this test case everything is same. I have written a short display name. Okay, this is not that much of useful, but we should know all the things. And here in the third test cases, what I have used, here I have given the 5 directly. Okay, here we have to write like this, value is equal to 5, but here if you are not giving this particular second parameter, we can directly use the count here. Here again, repeated test 5 times, run me 5 times. And the new thing here is the repetition info. So basically we can, on the runtime, we can get the count of the repetition here. So basically you can make a use of this. Let's say if you want to do something, or if you want to say that on third run I want to do something else, so you can put a if else loop here. Okay, and you can put a check. Okay, if the current repetition count is, let's say, third, so do something differently. So you can do n number of things with this functionality. It's up to you how you are going to use this particular functionality. Our purpose is to understand each and everything, and later you can modify your test cases your need according to these things. Yeah. So let me run this test cases, and then I will explain you the meaning of long short. Okay, so here you can see the third one, count is 1 2 3 4 5. So we are running this 5 times, and every time the count is getting printed because of this. And there is a simple assertion, we can ignore this for the time being. So important thing is repetition info. We are getting the count of repetition, and we can make a use of this if we want. Another thing, apple has been printed 5 times, mango has been printed 5 times. Okay, but why? What is the meaning of this long display and the short display? Let's see here. See the run. This is the run me. This is the run me, and this is the long name and short name has been printed here. But if you open the test cases here, you will come to know the difference. See, in the long name, how the test case has been written, long name. So display name is printed again after that colon, and then repetition 1 to 5, and in the short case again repetition 1 to 5. So this particular part, repetition 1 to 5, is common in the short and long version, but only difference is display name. Whatever the display name is written here, it is again printed here. So I don't think so this is very useful, because we already have display name here. And but in some cases, if you want to write your display name again here because of some reporting purpose or something else, you can use this thing as well. You can see if you let's say change something ABC here. So again I'm running. you can see ABC will be printed here. So ABC and this thing will be same, right? So I hope this is clear to you, and the benefit of using and this is mainly beneficial repeated test. You can run your test cases that many of times, and you can also fetch the counter basically on the runtime. Yeah. So I hope this is clear. Let's quickly jump to the next topic. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.